It does look pretty.
That sounds like an elephant.
This is long.
Okay, come on, guys, let's go.
Can I do it under Robin?
Mm-hmm.
No,
No.
Red Robin, but you can do it as in the car.
When we get home. No, when we get home.
Oh, okay.
No, we're not going to bring it with us.
Yay!
Fight about it.
Matthew, Nathan's so excited, too.
It blows louder.
It goes louder. Say Happy New Year!
Put it right here. When you get home from the restaurant, we can play with both. We'll blow them more.